This is my third and final video on how to find a great body shop. Not a good body shop, a great body shop. So what you want to do is you want to have a list of questions prepared for things that matter or important to you. So when you go out to have your car repaired after you've had an accident or rust repair, whatever your needs might be, you want to have a list of questions of the things that are important to you. Now, I highly recommend that you put this list together and you start interviewing body shops before you need them. Whole lot easier to do it when you're not under the stress and sometimes the time constraints of having to find a great body shop in a big hurry because your car's not drivable. But you want to create a list of questions that are important to you. Might be, how long have they been in business? What do they do for corrosion repair or corrosion protection? What do they do for their warranties? Do they have a lifetime warranty? Do they guarantee color match? How long will it take? Do they have free loaner cars? Whatever is important to you, what matters to you, have those questions answered before you need a body shop. If you don't have them answered before you need a body shop, then at least put them together before you start to look for a body shop. Because a great body shop is going to have processes and things in place to be able to answer your questions so that they can deliver exactly what you need when you have an accident, so that you go away from that experience thinking, my gosh, that was awesome, and I got exactly what I was looking for in the repairs to my vehicle. So be diligent, and again, always great idea to plan ahead. We know none of us want to have an accident, but we can't control the other guy. So thanks again, Louie with Sharp Auto Body. Have a great day.